Hello everyone, my name is Jessica Beck. Welcome to IELTS Energy TV. Today we are going to talk about how you can stay motivated when you're studying for IELTS. Alright guys, so thank you to subscriber Jeffrey Moralit. You left a comment on a video asking about how you can stay motivated, especially if you've taken the test several times, you haven't gotten the scores you needed, you're still preparing, and it's starting to get depressing. Guys, I want to help you. I don't want anyone to feel like that. So I have 3 ideas for you guys today, sort of a checklist to keep you guys on your way to being done with IELTS. So the first way to stay motivated, guys, make sure you trust your resources, okay? If you are spending hours searching for different IELTS materials and strategies online, you're never sure if what you find is true or not, right? You don't know if you're wasting your time or you're learning something useful. And a lot of times, what you're finding contradicts something else you found. So guys, you need to trust the materials you're looking at. Make sure that whatever course, whatever website you're using, make sure that the person that made this material is an IELTS examiner, a former IELTS examiner like me, or trained by an IELTS examiner like Aubrey, for example. So guys, that is so important. You cannot risk lowering your scores because you're learning the wrong thing, right? So that's number 1. Be confident in the source you're using to study, okay? Know who to trust. Don't waste your time, because wasting your time is depressing. All right, step 2, make sure that you are including some fun resources. Guys, if you're not enjoying what you're studying, you are not going to learn that much. If you're not motivated, if you're depressed, this information is not going to get into your brain, okay? So, overall, you need to have a balance, right? Studying for IELTS, improving your overall English. So improving your overall English, of course that should be fun. Watch movies you like, read books you like, okay? And then when you are studying IELTS, make sure you're learning from a teacher that you like. That you're learning from a teacher that you are open to learning from, that keeps you motivated, okay? Hopefully that's why you're here on this channel, because me and Aubrey are those teachers. Okay, last step, guys, make a schedule and stick to it, okay? If you don't have a schedule, if you don't have a deadline, right? You need to register for the exam. If you don't have these things to keep you on track, you are not going to progress. You're not going to move forward. That's why the study plans that we have in 3 Keys IELTS are so important for students to get their scores. You need a good study plan to follow, you guys. You need to organize your time. If you do not organize your time first, you are going to waste hours and hours in the future. And maybe you won't even get started studying because you don't have a schedule. Okay, so I cannot stress enough how important it is to make a balanced study plan for yourself, okay? And final bonus piece of advice, guys. If, like Jeffrey, if you have taken the test multiple times and you have not gotten the scores you needed, you need to change the way you're preparing, right? You need to go at this from another way because what you're doing is not working. So guys, if you're not getting the scores you need to find another way to prepare for IELTS, okay? Of course, I recommend our materials, allearsenglish.com/KEYS. That'll show you our online courses, but you can find out, get started for free. Go to allearsenglish.com/IELTS quiz. Take a short quiz, get your estimated IELTS band score, and get free resources that I made, ex-examiner of 14 years, just for you at your level, okay? So if you're ready to get started, get into our course, allearsenglish.com/KEYS. But if you're still figuring stuff out and you need some more information, I get it. Go to allearsenglish.com/IELTS quiz. Get started for free. All right, guys, I hope today's video helped. Make sure to share this video if you know someone that is preparing for IELTS, because we want to motivate them as well. And if you have a question, leave a comment below. All right, guys, have a great day. Bye.
Bonus tip, get a 7 or higher with the All Ears English app, featuring real-time transcripts and vocabulary practice that will push your score higher. Plus, fun video lessons with Lindsay, Michelle, and Jessica. Download the app today at allearsenglish.com/app.